Hello friends, welcome to my channel. In this video, we are going to see how to create an artificial intelligence teacher who asks questions to the students and awards the smart kid in the classroom. We have used Google Edge Voice Kit device for this project. Google AI Voice Kit is built upon Raspberry Pi Zero device. We use the Google Text-to-Speech API to ask questions to the students. The button on top of the kit will act as the trigger. The student will press the button and answer the question. The answer will be converted to text using Google Text-to-Speech API. The answer will be checked with the answer given by the developer. Based on the difficulty level of the question, the robot will add marks to the particular kid. The robot does the same for all the kids in the classroom. Finally, the kid with highest mark will be called and rewarded. The project is done completely in Python programming language. Let us have a look at the demo.
Serif.
Famous, I appreciate your boldness to come forward for the question. Can I ask an IQ question?
Okay.
What is the direction opposite to sunrise?
Rest.
Perfect. That answer. Keep going. What is the total number of alphabets in English?
26.
That's excellent. Who was the first Prime Minister of India?
Jawaharlal Nehru.
You are walking calm. You have got good memory. Some months have 31 days. Others have 30 days. How many have 28 days?
12.
How? That's good, you made it. You are participating in the race. You are second person. What position do you finish?
First. First.
You are wrong. Don't worry, you can make it at the next attempt. If you overtake the second person, then you take his second position. What color symbolizes peace?
White.
The code for the project is provided in the GitHub link provided in the description. If you have any queries regarding the project, contact me at the email given in the description. Please like, share, and subscribe to this channel for more amazing content like these. Thanks.